Hi guys, Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the minimum requirements to become an Uber driver and the required documents. So basically anyone can drive with Uber. You have to meet the minimum wage in your particular city, but it's usually 21 years old. Have at least 1 year of licensed experience in the US, or 3 years if you are under 23, and just have a valid US driver's license and an eligible 4-door vehicle. And the vehicle requirements, you can see my other video that I've created for that, specifically the kind of cars you can use on the Uber platform, and there's going to be a link in the video as well, and the description. And the required documents are basically like it says, a US license, proof of residency in your city, which pretty much a license does cover that requirement. You need to have vehicle insurance in your own name, and if you plan to drive your own car, that is, and then you need a profile photo that you can take with your phone. Should be forward-facing, centered photo, including the driver's full face and top shoulders, with no sunglasses. And should be only a picture of you in a well lit and in focus, and it cannot be a driver's license photo or other printed photograph. So basically what then happens is that they're going to do a driver screening online once you've completed the process of signing up, which takes only literally a couple of days, because it's all done online. So they will review your driving record and criminal history, and if you pass that, they'll send you a text and an email saying that you're ready to drive, and you can download the Uber app and you can be ready to go, start taking trips. So it literally takes anywhere from, I would say, 2 to 5 days for you to start from the sign-up process to actually start driving, as long as you have a clean driving record and criminal history. You're good to go. That's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and check my other video on the screen and tap on that logo on the bottom right to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.